We're going to be replacing the running light on the driver's side on a 21 Toyota RAV4. You're first going to remove the connector. There's going to be a tab here. You pop it out, and then you turn the socket counterclockwise. Oh, this is hard. I'm gonna put the connector back on and do it all together because it gives me a little bit more leverage. Yep. And there you go. We removed everything together. This is the bulb. Make sure it's not hot. You remove it just like that. You put the new one back in. Okay, make sure it clicks in there. And you can put it back inside the headlight assembly. You turn it until it sits flush. And you turn it clockwise to put it back in. And that's how you replace it.